Hi guys, small video today as well. Fusion 360 this time. I had this object, and when it was fully expanded, I felt the distance between these 2 points here were too narrow, because on the other side it is more sturdy for pressure. So I wanted to increase the size of this here. So what I did was I went into the object, and then I wanted to just increase the width a little bit, so I expanded to 9.8 millimeters. And when you do this, I use join, so it becomes part of the surface. And when I do this and I change it back, you would normally see that it gives errors. Now something here happened. So I reactivate the bends I had here and suppress. So first and foremost, you see that I no longer have the fillet here. That's fine. You can just go into that specific fillet, edit, and select the edge. And press OK. That fixes that fillet. And then I can change the corner here. See, identical. Edit. Go in and I change the corner. OK. Now you also see here on the timeline that I have a sketch that seems to have lost its sketch plane, and that is because I added it using this. Even though it looks like it completes the surface, that sketch plane is actually based on the previous layout, and you can see from the side that it's on the top, and normally that would suffice. So what you can do is you can go here, edit feature, and you can unselect the surface, press OK. Then you have redefined that. Okay, I want that top surface, including the extrude you did, to be the top surface. Now, to make sure that the design you have on this sketch actually also includes that space, you need to add or redefine that sketch to the offset plane. So you go and right click on the sketch. First you have to figure out which one it was you had. In my case it should be this one, which is number 5. So I can just activate it, and you go and you right click, and then you select redefine sketch plane, and just click that sketch plane again, because now it has included the extra extrude I had here, and press OK. And then you have managed to fix your sketch again. So if you are using offsets to create your sketches, I think it's easier to redefine the sketch planes, because you can just define it to the offset plane instead of the actual surface of the object. So, because if you change the surface of the object, sometimes you get these weird errors because of all the other things, like the holes here. Those also change the surface of the object. So if you extend the object, that is still part of the full surface of the object, but the plane is just a flat plane. It doesn't have any objects, no holes or anything in it. So if you're working with offset planes to create your sketches on, in my opinion, then it's easier to redefine the sketch plane to the offset plane instead of the object itself, because then you just project the things you want onto the object. Like in this case, I extrude the holes using the sketches, or like in this case, I want to measure how long I want the cuts be in the slicer. So I just thought I would share a little bit about offset planes and redefining to offset planes instead of redefining to surfaces. So I still recommend using offsets. Haven't changed my mind on that, and I probably don't use it so much on this specific project, but yeah. Hope you like this video, and see you in the next one. Like and subscribe if you like it.